How to change chat color on Messenger app. Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of 1-2-step. Messenger has this inbuilt feature where you can change in the chat color or the theme of your Messenger chat. In this video, I'm exactly going to show you how you can change it. So make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into it. First of all, open up your Messenger and open up the chat where you want to change in the chat color. Once you are on the chat, tap on the eye icon on the top right, and here you can see a couple of options. Under customizations, tap on the theme option. From here, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see colors and gradients. You can pick any one of them and you can look at the preview of how it's going to look. If you like this one, you can tap on select and the colors will be selected. Similarly, you can repeat it, change it as many times as you want. Other than these colors, you can also select in themes. So you can see there are a couple of themes that you can choose from. Just tap on the theme and tap on select and the theme will be immediately applied. So that's the way you change chat color on Messenger. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you want more videos just like this, turn on the notifications so you get notified for more informative videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.